Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Brandy Giz and I'm back and I have a wig review for you guys, so sit back and I hope you guys enjoy this here review. This was sent from a company. This unit was sent from a company. I'm going to show you the name. I'm going to take out this FedEx box or FedEx packaging, but this is the box. At first I thought it was XrsBeauty, but they pronounce it XrsBeauty. Yes, make sure I'm saying that right. XrsBeauty. Yeah, so check out XrsBeauty. All right, let's see. Okay, so let's see the unit that they sent me. Woo, here it is right here. It's inside, and I see it's a 22-inch, guys, 200% density. And it comes with hair instructions. Ooh, they personalized it for me. It comes with some beautiful lashes, a wig cap, some clips, which is cool, an elastic extender, which is cool. So let's get into this unit. I'm going to sit that right there on the floor and we're going to open it up. Pretty curly. Look at this curl pattern. Super curly and pretty. Yes. So as you can see, it is a lace. Yes. Okay, so they sent me some lace. This is the regular transparent lace. This is the regular transparent lace. This is the regular brown lace. And this is their new clear lace right here. And this clear lace is undetectable on your hand, as you can see. New clean hairline. It's a much more natural than a regular pre-plucked hairline. And this is your regular brown lace. So you can actually see the brown lace. And let's try the regular transparent lace. But their lace, you can't see it, y'all. See that? It's like undetectable. That right there is like what we need. Okay, so I'm going to put them all together. And you can't see their lace. So you can see this one, which is your regular transparent. You can see the middle, which is the brown, and you can actually see the one new clear lace. So we're going to get into that in a minute, because I'm going to use a little bit of this Got To Be spray, probably spray it on my hand or something, and share with you all how it looks. But we're going to get into this here unit. I am going to start by installing this wig for you guys. So I'm going to put on my wig cap. And I'm going to, yeah, let y'all in. So come a little closer and let's get started. So I am back. I did a updo hairstyle, something a little bit different, and these are the beautiful curls. I kind of finger combed them out just a little bit, and I put on a little bit of the Lotta Body, and just to add a little shine, this is the Garnier Fructis. But I laid my, look at that, the lace. Can you see? Can you tell? What? Yes. I laid it down with the Got To Be glue. And yeah, this is the clear lace. Now, I want to show you a little something. This is the regular transparent. I want to put it on my arm. I want to put it like so. Maybe I'll put it on my arm. Let me bring this up really close so that you can see. And I'm going to lay it down with this Got To Be glue. Make sure I'm doing it. Lay it down with this Got To Be. On my arm. And it's not as transparent as the clear lace. We're going to put the clear lace next to it. And we're going to just spray a little bit of it. Like so. Next to it. Girl, you can't even tell. You can't even tell the difference. This is where it's at, the clear lace. So I'm going to take this off of my arm and get me some tissue. But I just want to share that with you all. So I wanted you guys to see the hairline, and it's very clean, clear, and just realistic. I laid it down with this spray. It gives a more natural look to the pre-plucked hairline, and I put a little bit of the Sephora's micro smooth powder in the parting space. But this is just an updo that I thought that would look really cute. Now I'm going to give you the specs on this here pretty unit. I'm going to give you the specs on this unit. This is a wig from XrsBeauty. I'm going to leave all the information down in the description section of the video. The length is a 22 inch. The density is 200%. It's a 13x6, which is a new clear lace and clean hairline. It's undetectable on my head. As you can see, the hairline is clean and clear. It's much natural. Like I said, it's pre-plucked, and they customize this natural hairline to make it melt in the skin. Now, I do have a coupon code. It is 10 Brandy Giz. Again, 10 Brandy Giz if you're interested in this here unit. This is just something new I wanted to try out and to see. It does melt in the skin. So I'm going to turn around so that you guys can see. This is the back. It's pretty long. You guys know me. I'll be kind of like cutting a little bit. But I didn't cut anything this time. I just have it, you know, the way it is. But I do like the unit, even though it is a darker color. Sometimes you need to change it up, you know, do something different. Can't always be the same old And I was they reached out to me, and they wanted me to try their new unit, and I obliged. I was like, yeah, come on, send it. So yes, I'm doing the unit, and it's just a fun flirty hairstyle. So again, I want to thank XrsBeauty for sending me this here, XrsBeautyHair.com, for sending me this here unit, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.